Welcome to the Faroe Easy News Report. Here are today's headlines.
We'll begin with the news, then cover recent opinion pieces.
All right, first up, the Ministry of Justice has annulled the 2024 municipal election in Runavík.
This was due to suspected fraud involving a single ballot that decided a council seat.
So a re-election has been scheduled for January 13, 2026.
And as part of this, the Police Prosecution Authority has now formally charged one person.
The charge is for violating Section 116 of the Criminal Code.
Moving on to energy, the company SEV has announced a price hike for 2026.
The price of electricity is set to increase by 7 euro per kilowatt-hour.
You can see here how that's going to impact typical households starting in 2026.
And in related news, the Swedish energy company Minesto has faced a pretty significant stock drop.
This followed a share offering where existing shareholders showed pretty limited interest. Okay, let's shift over to defense. Danish Defense Minister Trails Lund Poulsen visited the Faroe Islands.
Talks really focused on defense cooperation, especially with the Arctic's growing strategic importance.
Meanwhile, a big question came up in Parliament. Who's supervising the Danish Navy for smuggling?
Well, the official response confirms warships have immunity, so they aren't subject to standard checks.
All right, now let's turn to the opinion desk, starting with the debate around Russia sanctions.
So, a debate has kicked off since the government got the power to implement these sanctions.
Skurður Skale argues for a proactive stance, given Russia's known character.
But Anfinn in Tuft is calling for caution to protect the local economy and jobs.
And finally, a debate on local development and the consequences of major projects.
Brander Sandoy questions the environmental cost of the green transition, pointing to a planned wind farm.
And Samuelmatris Christiansen argues new tunnels will just create island versus island competition.
Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources linked below.